Have you ever wondered why diabetes is often referred to as a silent killer? Let's delve deeper into this topic and unmask the reasons behind this ominous label. You see, it's not bestowed with this title due to some cryptic, sinister reason. Rather, it has earned this name due to its subtle yet relentless encroachment into the everyday lives of countless individuals, silently infiltrating their health and wellness. The stealthy nature of diabetes is somewhat insidious. Gradually, it creeps into the lives of millions of people worldwide, with a calm persistence that often goes unnoticed. It's like a phantom, always lurking but barely perceptible until it's much too late for preventative measures. This disease is so incredibly camouflaged that the majority of those affected do not even realize they are victims until it has progressed significantly. It's like a shadow, always present but barely noticeable until it's too late. In many instances, it's detected during routine medical checkups, or when the body starts to display severe signs of declining health. The realization often hits when the damage is already done, making diabetes an incredibly deceptive and dangerous ailment. Diabetes is an intricate medical condition, a complex riddle that has baffled the medical fraternity for centuries. It fundamentally concerns the body's ability to manage and regulate blood sugar, also known as glucose levels. When in a normal, healthy state, our bodies efficiently regulate these levels with a vital hormone known as insulin. Insulin is the essential character in this game of glucose management. Insulin, produced by the pancreas, acts as the gatekeeper, allowing glucose to enter the cells and be used for energy. It's a critical component in our body's metabolic system, ensuring that our bodies can efficiently convert sugar into energy. However, with diabetes, this equilibrium is thrown off balance. The process is disrupted, leading to either too much or too little sugar present in the bloodstream. This imbalance can be compared to a seesaw that's lost its equilibrium. It's either leaning too much on one side, causing hyperglycemia, or tilting too little on the other, giving rise to hyperglycemia. Diabetes is not a one-size-fits-all condition. There are two primary types that we commonly encounter. First, there's type 1 diabetes, a condition where the body produces little to no insulin due to an autoimmune reaction. Often diagnosed in children and young adults, it can occur at any age. Then we have type 2 diabetes, where the body doesn't use insulin effectively. This type is often attributed to lifestyle factors and is typically diagnosed in adulthood. Both these types possess their unique attributes and challenges. If not managed properly, they can lead to dangerous complications. From heart diseases and nerve damage to kidney failures and vision loss, the list of potential complications is indeed long and worrisome. Hence, understanding, managing, and treating this silent killer becomes a matter of utmost importance. Diabetes, the silent invader, the unseen enemy, the covert operator. It goes unnoticed, making its way into our lives until it brings about irreparable damage. Both types can lead to dangerous complications if not managed properly. Managing diabetes can be likened to solving a jigsaw puzzle. Each segment represents a fundamental part of your lifestyle that demands careful attention and management. Diet, exercise, medication, and regular health checkups. Consider a balanced diet as the corner pieces of your puzzle, the base elements that significantly contribute to establishing the broader picture, your health. Consuming a mix of foods rich in nutrients, low in fat and calories, including fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, is a key strategy for maintaining optimum blood sugar levels. Let's delve into the corner pieces, the diet. Fruits, rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants, support cellular functions and strengthen your immune system. Vegetables, the nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers, help to regulate your blood sugar. Whole grains act as a sustainable energy source, their high fiber content moderating the absorption of sugars into your bloodstream, thus controlling sudden sugar level spikes. The edge pieces represent regular physical activity, an essential part of managing diabetes. Regular exercise assists your body in using glucose for energy, thus improving your insulin sensitivity and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. But it's not necessary to spend hours in the gym. Simple activities like brisk walking, cycling, household chores, or using the stairs instead of the elevator can significantly help in regulating your blood sugar levels. Remember, physical exercise isn't limited to strenuous tasks. Low-impact activities like yoga, Pilates, or simple stretching improve blood circulation sensitivity. It's beneficial to incorporate a mix of aerobic and anaerobic exercises into your routine for a balanced approach to physical health. The central pieces of the puzzle represent medication and regular health checkups. Medication, depending on your diabetes type, can be critical in maintaining your blood sugar levels. Whether it's metformin for type 2 diabetes or insulin injections for type 1, adhering to your doctor's prescription is an essential part of managing diabetes. Regular checkups are equally important, providing valuable insights about the effectiveness of your current management plan and indicating if any adjustments are needed. If blood sugar levels remain consistently high, your doctor may modify your medication or recommend lifestyle changes. Regular screenings for eyes, kidneys, and feet are essential for early detection of potential complications. The puzzle of managing diabetes is incomplete without each piece fitting seamlessly together. Disregarding even a single aspect can cause a cumulative effect, disrupting the overall picture and potentially leading to complications. In the end, the real power lies in your hands. This is the fundamental idea we must grasp. Possessing control over your destiny and well-being isn't about luck or external factors. It's about the decisions you make, the steps you initiate, and the resilience you embody. It's a challenging mission, yet an enriching one, particularly when it pertains to managing diabetes. Embarking on this mission, akin to any transformative journey toward a healthier version of you, commences with self-awareness. It's recognizing your current health condition and envisioning a future where prioritizing your health is second nature. It's accepting the test, aware that the journey might be strenuous, but the end reward is invaluable. Throughout this journey, we derive our inspiration from our dear allies, Dr. Wellness and Lily. They serve as models of what this expedition to health can appear like. They teach us that this journey isn't about flawlessness, but about progression. It doesn't revolve around drastic transformations, but about consistent little actions that accumulate to create a remarkable impact over time. Assuming responsibility of your health means adopting a proactive approach. Schedule that preventive health examination, regardless of feeling fine. Undertake that short walk around your neighborhood, even if fatigue is setting in. Opt for that apple over a tempting piece of cake, even when your sweet tooth is aching. Why? Because every minor step matters and contributes to your ultimate goal. In making these choices, remember, you are not isolated. You are part of a robust, supportive health community, comprising healthcare professionals, support groups, and loved ones who are ready to guide, encourage, and accompany you. They are eager to answer your queries, impart their wisdom, and extend their support. They are present to cheer for your triumphs and to stand with you during tough times. Collectively, we can decode the complexity of diabetes. We can dismiss the misconceptions, spread awareness, and educate ourselves and others about this condition. Together, we can convert this silent killer into a manageable ailment, one that doesn't have to confine or define us. But to achieve this, we must harness the power within us. The power to learn, to question, to discover, and to transform. In the grand scheme of things, knowledge is the vital power. It's the spark that ignites the power to influence change. It is the key to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. It propels us to enhance our lives for our betterment, and with power comes the capacity to transform lives, because in the end, the real power lies in your hands.